Babaan mo natin.
Grade 8. Grade 8. Grade 8.
Ang pag-ibig ay parang collection.
Bakit? Bakit? Kasi...
Ang English, full of explanation. Ang science, full of investigation. Ang history, full of exploration. Pero ang puso ko, full of imagination, na sana tayong dalawa ay magkaroon ng common destination. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Helen Ernesco from grade 9 Galilee. Ano ba sa English ang nasa laboratorio ako kasama mo?
Ano?
And I'm in love with you. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I am Trial Bigalon, 15 years old, and I am proud to represent you. Grade 9 Einstein! Buti pa yung energy level. My closer at together. Pero kami wala ngang closer, hindi pa together. June Marie Bueles, 14, representing grade 9 youth. Tinitore kitang buwan. Tinitore kita. At tinitore mo rin akong bituin. Bakit ang dami natin? Namin na natin. Prison German City, 15, representing Greater Chastity. Yo! Alam niyo, ang gwapo ni Matt. Kasi ang dami niyang ex. Christina Loren, 16, representing Greater Love. Alam nyo, para kayong math, maraming solusyon. Science, maraming desisyon. Pero alam nyo, sa inyo, pero alam nyo, kayo ang aking inspiration. Anday, thank you! Mas madali pa ang law of gravity kaysa law of acceleration. In other terms, mas madali pang ma-fall kaysa mag-move on. Rana with Nathan Magikan, 16, representing grade 11 honesty! Jeremy Hingan is 17, representing grade 11 competence. Love is like a math. Add your friends, subtract your enemies, multiply your love, but never divide your heart. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Lenisa Manayon, 18, from grade 11, Wisdom. Bakit palaging hinahanapan ang solusyon? Bakit palaging hinahanapan ang value of X? We can move on kasi dalawa. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I am Chari Salabsab, 17, representing grade 12 Titanium!
Wow!
Alam mo, ang pag-ibig ay para lang yun ng old Jardio. Pagkatapos mo sirain, ay agad mo na rin lalayuan. And I thank you! My name is Rachel Salabsab, 16, representing grade 10 sensitivity! What's up, Palayan? My name is Joy Story, 18. Ang tugma, muna na siyagmat. Lisod sabdon kung may kabantagan. Yo!
Alam niyo ba, sa math may probability. Parang kayo, akala mo meron, pero wala. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Joyce Muring Nakulan, 18, representing grade 12 Platinum!
Science ka ba?
Bakit?
Akala ko totoo, yun pala, invento lang. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Event Janet 17, representing grade 12 Titanium! Good afternoon, each and everyone. My name is Rosalie Salabsab, 12 years old, representing grade 7 department. Science ka ba? Bakit? Mahirap kasi intindihin. Bakit ayaw mo sa akin? Thank you.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Jester Amora Cervellejo, representing Grade 10 Chastity. Math ka ba? Ang hirap mo kasing intindihin.
Good afternoon to each and everyone. My name is Erickson Dudura, 17 years old, representing grade 10 Law. Ang pag-ibig, parang mat. Kaya kita na greater than, iyan na kang inisdan.
Nagiging ka ba? Nakita mo buhay kapag wala ka. 16 years old, representing grade 9 Galilee.
Wow, classmate.
Alam nyo ba na sa crush para mat?
Okay.
Kasi pag hindi nyo nakuhang isolve, titigan nyo lang.
Wala ila.
naniniwala sa isang simpleng kasabihan. Hindi lahat malinis mabango. That's all. Thank you.
Toy. Ladies and gentlemen, standing in front of you. Behold, the diamond in the rough, from the kingdom of Agabra. Aladdin pera, Aladdin jua, Aladdin abs. Samaw na abs. Where living is that? James House.
Ang pag-ibig ay parang CD. Habang tumatagal, lumalabo. What's up, my love people? Hi, I'm Gemma G. Lamadan, 15, representing Great Sincerity. Na nag-iiwan ng kasibihan. Buti pa ang energy level, close together. Di tulad natin, di nga close, di pa together. Not to only one!
Kung basura ka man sa paningin ng iba,
Uy, kawali ang nandito.
dahil sa akin.
Uy, ang sakit.
Dahil sa akin, ikaw ang basurang magagamit pa. By the way, I'm John McLean, representing Gates of Titanium!
Good afternoon to each and everyone. My name is Gerard Lagaran, 18, representing Grade 12 Platinum! Sana, arithmetic na lang tayo. Para kahit common difference tayo, ikaw pa rin ako kumpleto sa sequence ng buhay ko.
I'm Dimuel M. Bratilia, representing Titanium. Ang gugma, nakakasag, nature.
Ano man?
Nagabat ni mga ampingan sama sa imong uyab. Nagabat amping. What's up mga bagsak? Mat ka ba?
Bakit?
Kasi sa sobrang tagal kong nag-solve, mali pala minahal ko. I am Grimmer Amper, representing Red 12 Titanium.
That was the great presentation of our candidates.
And to read the criteria of judging and also the introduction of boards of judges, let's give it for Mr. Eleazar B. Padre, a great and sincerity advisor.
Wow! Okay, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Maayong hapon, kaninyong tanan. Wow! Okay. So the search for waste and fashion 2019. So allow me to read first the mechanics. The search for Mr. and Miss Waste and Fashion in indigenous materials must be dominant in the costume. Handy props and accessories shall be allowed. Okay, number 2. Participants must be a bona fide students of... And our portrait is from the Hacienda.
So much, sir.
Let us all welcome back the candidates with their individual performances. A big round of applause, please. This attire is made of used sacks, used CDs, and plastics. Sacks to be used where our plastic should be
continue promoting solid waste management and discipline within ourselves. A firefly-inspired attire, let's give hope and give light to our Mother Earth. Wow!
Candidate number 2. Good afternoon to each and everyone. This costume is made up of recycled cellophane, sacks, and candy wrappers. The cellophane is made like a flowers and butterflies, and as such is made up of sachet of fresh mint candies. And we form in the center. The name of our section is SPC by using the leaves of the coconut trees. The name of our candidate for waste and fashion in our section is Angel Imbudo.
As observed, there are lots of activity sheets or waste papers that are scattered everywhere. So instead of burning them, we the SLR students to utilize them as materials for our candidates' costume. Minimize this kind of waste in our campus.
Candidate number 4, Helen Miasco. She is now wearing a unique recycled material composed of coconut silk, plastic wrapper, sack bottle cap, and strip CD tape.
Cherry Galon is wearing a gown made of plastic cups and coconut silk with other stuffs or waste, which resulted into a beautiful and unique dress. Nice. Candidate number 5.
Candidate number 6, June Marie Boyles, is now showing her gorgeous posture by wearing such a unique recycled gown which make her more stand out. Her gown composed of coconut silk, empty bottle of Yakult, empty sachet, magazine, strip CDs, Coke labels, and cups. As its outer disguise as its inner cover for the body, which resulted into a fabulous pose of her.
Christine Joy Mincity, a 15 years old student from grade 10 Chastity, wearing a headband and a gown made of sacks attached by the collected paper cups, broken CDs, and shells. Wow.
Candidate number 8, walking towards all of you is Cristina Luzon Lloren. Filipiniana inspired gown made of recycled sacks and accentuated with plastic drinking straws. The straws were not already used because these are already banned in our municipality. So these are utilized in her gown, and CDs are not already functional. So these are collected and broken into pieces to add glamour to the gown.
Candidate number 8 is Miss Reyna Fe Pliti Pagikan. Reyna Fe Pliti Pagikan is wearing her magnificent Palaban gown. This Palaban gown is a Filipiniana-inspired gown with a glint of modernism. It is sprayed with gold, black, and yellow paint, showcasing the rich, golden, and vibrant culture and tradition of the Philippines. The Palaban gown is made of sacks which were used during the International Coastal Cleanup. Paper cups fresh from the trash bins and brochures and magazines. The gown does not just express Philippine culture and traditions, but also by the name itself, Palaban reflects the high-spirited and indeed Palaban grade 11 honesty students. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the Palaban
beauty of the people, creating a more beautiful and colorful environment. In short, a whole new world. She also has an arm amulet, which are made from indigenous materials like recycled mat, designed with recycled tin foil used as decorations during the past program of the school. This design represents the pride of the Filipino people.
Shari L. Salabsab, grade 12 titanium, wearing a summer outfit with floral design made up of empty sachet of junk foods, Downy, Bear Brand, and Lucky Me.
Candidate number 12, Rachel Salabsab, is wearing an old magazine paper, sako and CDs, as what you can see in her costume. Ladies and gentlemen, candidate number 12, Rachel Salabsab.
Number 13, a butterfly-inspired costume, a naturey design with full of color green, which is made up of cellophanes, sacks, paper, and CDs.
Candidate number 15, Joyce Nicolan, a grade 12 student from Platinum, is wearing a dress made up of ginit, mais, and lubi-lubi. Her dress was created by her supportive artistic classmates, led by Miss Lisa Licom, and is inspired by the beauty of corn.
Wow! Candidate number 16 is, what a beautiful gown, from a used sacks and cellophanes and tin foils with a wings with a and long high heels. Wow! Ladies and gentlemen, the female candidates.
Erickson Makilang Doydora. He's wearing a vest that made up of recycled socks and accentuated with plastic drinking straws. The straws were not already used because these are already banned in our municipality. So these are utilized in his vest and the cities are not already functional. So these are collected and broken into pieces to add beauty to the vest. Candidate number 4, Jan Franz Zamora. He is wearing Manila paper with coconut strips, CD tape, and bottle top that make him stunning and handsome.
William Mokulan looks so stunning in his Filipino-inspired costume, which is another Palaban costume. This Palaban costume is made of brochures and magazines, sacks, paper cups from trash bins and sprayed with gold. It also reflects the Palaban students of grade 11 Honesty with our advisor, Miss Vanessa Baguhin.
Jericho Daeng. Jericho Daeng is wearing a recycled materials that are made of sacks and tapes with a series nga gibali-bali with a ginit sa iyang shorts o marathon.
All hail for Diamond in the Rock. Aladdin of 11 Wisdom, presented by James Marcus. Prince Aladdin is wearing an elegant vest which is made of recycled mats. The mats are patterned like electric bolts to represent the ever-dynamic boys of grade 11 Wisdom, taking electronic products, assembly, and servicing. The design also creates a geometric pattern, an Islamic design which represents the Islamic world.
Next is J-Mart Labadan with book pages inspired costume with a series nga gibali-bali na sad. Nasa sacks sa usalina, then a headdress na murag kuyawon. Wow! Next is from grade 12. He is wearing a series sacks na sad. Mga cellophanes, lipilip sa likod. With sacks sa iyang shorts, na nice kaayo.
Next candidate is Gerald Lagaran, a grade 12 platinum student. He is wearing a suit which is made of socks with matching hats of plastic soft drink cups. He is also wearing a pants which is also made of sock with matching hats of a plastic soft drink cups and shade.
Wow! Next is from grade 12. He is wearing a sax-inspired costume with a floral designs. Plastic na gimong buwang. Last, from grade 12. He is wearing a sax, a series nga gibalik-balik, papel, gunting-gunting, construction, gining-lingin, oy abs, salamat. Let's give them a round of applause! Race and Fashion Show. And now,
Another presentation is given by the grade 12 senior high school students. A round of applause, please.
2019 goes to candidate number 12. Wow. Candidate number 12, ma'am. Ma'am. Lucky. Baji. Baji. Ngayon ko Lucky, sir. Colombia. Baji de ay. Lucky, sir. Colombia. Female na, sir. Female na. Nabaylo. Dede ay, sorry. Sorry to kaadyo kay... Miss na dyan, sir. Sir, sir. Okay, Miss. Sorry di ay. Na Miss Colombia. Okay, the winner for Miss Ways and Fashion Model of the Year 2019 goes to candidate number 12. 12 di ay, Agbadzi di ay number 12. Wow. Rachel Salabsab of Great and Sincerity.
Char Unay.
Okay, the winner for Mr. Ways and Fashion Model of the Year goes to candidate number 2. Candidate number 2. Palihog sa kong hata. Fine, best in costume. Best in costume for female category goes to candidate number 7. Ang Mr. The winner for best in costume male category goes to candidate number number 2. Sana all. Okay, the moment of truth has finally arrived. It's my winners sa Mr. and Miss Ways and Fashion 2019 for the male category. It's candidate number 2. Wow. For the female category goes to candidate number 12. Oh my God, congratulations. Oh my God.
Sana all. Titoy.
Wow! Congratulations! Oh my God. Last year, sincerity. Karon sincerity na po. Si Magic. Si Ilara na. Huwag labot na na. Matsayaw na laman. Ginuwat-uwat ang matsayaw. Dagan salamat sa atong 2018 winner for Miss Race and Passion, Larissa Butlig. Daghan kayong salamat sa atong mga candidates o sa mga section.